What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to win every single game of Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 3, so let's hop into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do to win every game is you just want to land somewhere that does not have a medallion. Like, do not land Nitro Drome, you're just going to die. So for me, I'm going to land Sandy Steps. You'll just want to land somewhere that you won't die off spawn. There's a couple of people landing here with me, so let's take them out real quick. Alright, so we got full shield already. Alright, so you want to get a lot of good loot off spawn to make sure you don't die. So I got some pretty good loot. Now we got to get some mats. I like to farm these trees over here because they give about 70 wood each. Oh, there's a guy shockwaveing on me. What's this guy doing? No way, bro just hopped in a car. Bruh. Alright, let's get some more mats. Take this kid out. I don't know what these kids are doing, bro. I'm gonna drop my hand cannon for some nitro because you'll want nitro. That could be a big part in winning games. Alright, so we're gonna try and get cap mats off spawn. At least cap brick and wood, because those are the easiest to get. And we're just gonna make sure we loot everything we can, because you want to have some good loot to fight with if you need to fight. Make sure you have good heals as well. Alright, so I'm going to take these fists because those will be good for mobility. You should also try and farm up as much metal as you can as well. Alright, so just loot up as much as you can off spawn. Make sure you have good loot, good mats. Because now we're going to go try and get a medallion. So maybe we'll pad on like Nitro Dome, maybe this guy, and then maybe we'll get that one. I'm going to go to Nitro Dome first though, because that one's still there. Alright, I think they're fighting her. Let's take this guy out. Alright, take him out, get this, and I'm going to drop the nitro for the bow. You'll want the bow because it's a great counter for the cars. Alright, so now I'm going to go try and get this medallion because it's just driving around. And we have the bow so we can just get the guy out of the car really quick. And it'll be super easy. This guy. Get out of here. I'm going to pop that nitro so we can get some increased mobility. Bro, this other medallion's chasing me. I'm gonna have to get in this car and go. Let's run this guy over. This is a bot. You can tell they're a bot when they just pop nitro. Oh dang, this car's about to explode. I gotta get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna try and like bomb this guy's car with the bow. See, that does 300 damage to a car. That's great damage. What's that? What? We're just gonna bomb him, 75 damage, you see? It's great damage, we're just gonna keep bowing him. And we can just infinitely shoot at him because we have the bow. 79 cracked, and he's dead, just like that. Now we have infinite nitro and the infinite glove, or the 5 charge gloves. Now I am kind of W keying. You do not have to W key to win the games. I just like the W key. So now you should pretty much be good. You don't really need the other medallion. It's really just healing, which would be nice because I only have one healing item. But other than that, you don't really need it. What's the kid doing? That just nitro in. And that's how you use nitro. Alright, let's heal up. I don't know what that kid was doing. Oh, there's a guy over here. Like, it's just too easy with the bow. Like, oh, I hear a car. Get away from me. I do not want to fight. This is what the nitro is good for. You can just infinitely run. Alright, I'm all healed up. Make sure everything's reloaded because you do not want to get reload bug. Alright, now I'm gonna go find a bunker so I can edit my AR because I hate this scope. Alright, we are top 10. Now you basically just want to wait till the zones are smaller so you can just crossbow everybody. Alright, let's come in here. Make sure nobody's in here. You can crossbow like the side here because if you crossbow that, it'll hit them in here for like 4 damage, so then you'll know that they're in here. I also personally like using the 5 shots on the gatekeeper, just so you can shoot more shots, especially when people try and glove in your box. Also, an easy way to avoid getting gloved, people just jumping in your box with gloves, is if you hear them pull out your gloves, just get out of the box. And if you have gloves of your own, just like fist into the air, just like with an uppercut. Normally an uppercut can go through like all wooden builds. Where's this kid at, bro? What? Since when do AIs hit their shots, bro? I swear. Been hitting everything on me. Okay, so I think right now the only real guy we have to worry about is the guy with the medallion. So we're gonna try and stay away from him. Another guy here. What's this guy doing, bro? This guy's a loss, I swear. 4? Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. We are now top 5 as well. Top 4. 77. I can see you, Flowberry Fizzing, buddy. Alright, top 3. Just the medallion guy, which he doesn't seem very good. Try and blow him up. I have all 3 people on me now. Try and crossbow up, or fist up. And then you can just like, oh, I fell. Well, I'm gonna try and shooting him out, so. See, I can just stay back here and crossbow the whole time. And there we go. Just gotta kill the last guy. Not that hard if you have the crossbow. Hit a little emote. It's not really that hard. You just gotta hit some shots sometimes. Well, there you have it. Pretty easy to win games this season. All you really need is a crossbow. Any crossbow could work. Not even the mythic one is needed. But I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.